Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are exploring the world of accents with a dash of elegance today. Follow along with me as I walk you through the process of using a British accent voiceover on Pictory. So let's get started. To kick things off, make sure you're logged in into your Pictory account. Head over to the My Project section and open up the project where you are ready to add a splash of British charm. Let's now look to the left side of the display. Look for the audio section, your gateway to an auditory transformation. Give it a click. Next up, let's explore the voiceover tab. Tap on it and then take a scroll down. Look for English UK. The actual magic happens right here. Enjoy a variety of voices with British accent, both male and female. Go on, give it a try. Choose the voice that resonates with your project's character. It is as simple as enjoying a cup of tea with the Queen. That's it. With just a few clicks, your project now exudes the charm of a British accent. Whether you are narrating a historical documentary or adding a touch of refinement to a recipe video, these features elevates your content to a whole new level. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.